In this video, we're going to help you with strategies to break down word problems for yourself and your first grader. So to help your first grader understand and work on word problems, we're going to break it down into steps. The first one is that they need to read it out loud. So you can read it with them. You would say, Liam has 4 puppies in his yard. His friend Emma brings 2 more puppies into play. How many puppies are there in total? Now the next thing we're going to do is draw pictures. Now the next step in this is we're going to relate this to real life. Children tend to look at things in terms of a visual, so we can talk about something that they deal with, bring that story into their head. We can talk about when they've seen puppies. Do you have any puppies in your yard? Do you have friends that have puppies? We can get them to think of specific puppies that they might like. What kind of dogs do you like? Now once we've done that, we're going to solve this step by step. We have our pictures. We have our question. We'll read it again. Liam has 4 puppies in the yard. His friend Emma brings 2 more puppies to play. How many puppies are there in total? So we have our 4 original puppies. We'll count them out. 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll say, well, now there's 2 more puppies. So we have 5, 6 puppies in total. So our answer is 6. So we'll do an example here. First, again, we start by breaking it down. We'll read out loud. You have 8 pieces of candy. You eat 3 pieces. How many pieces do you have left? So we can draw some pictures, and we can also relate in real life at the same time. We can talk about what kind of candy do you like. Maybe I even might do it for myself and say, you know what, actually, I really like lollipops. We can talk about candies that we don't like. We really just want to make it into a story so that the child can actually visualize what's going on. So once we've had a small conversation in it, we can actually work through on doing the step-by-steps. Now, once we've had our little story about it, and remember that it's not going to be a long story, you can really make it short. It's to get the child into the habit of thinking about this as a visual exercise. Once it's from word to visual, it makes it easier for them to understand. So we'll then go ahead and we're going to solve this step by step. So we'll talk again. We have our 8 pieces of candy. Let's see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 lollipops here. And we say we ate 3, so we have removed 3, right? We have 3 that are gone. So we can cancel out 1, 2, 3. These don't exist anymore. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces of candy left. So our answer would be 5.